Did you know that up to 60% of your utility bill is due to heating and cooling? That means for every utility bill you pay, most of your money goes towards heating and cooling your home. What if you could enjoy the comfort of heating and cooling your home without spending as much money and save hundreds of dollars annually? Introducing the Solar Saver, helping homeowners across America save on heating and cooling up to 30%. Heating and cooling systems can be inefficient when your thermostat reaches a desired temperature. Your outdoor compressor shuts off, and the fan typically runs for 90 seconds to push the cool or warm air into your home. Utility studies have shown that the standard 90-second fan runtime does not extract all of the cooling and heating from your system. This leaves unused heating and cooling sitting in your HVAC system. The Solar Saver captures that extra heating and cooling by smartly adjusting fan runtime using advanced algorithms and intelligent sensors, saving you big money over time. 1.5 million units installed and more than 15 years of real-world data, the Solar Saver has proven it can help homeowners save, starting at just $19 a month. Our certified technicians can install it in just minutes, so you'll start seeing savings right away. Get your Solar Saver today and take control of your energy bills while staying ahead of rising rates.